Today, we will present the complete review of Vital Force, a wellness product. We have prepared a comprehensive video with all the information you need to know before you buy Vital Force. In addition, we would like to highlight some important warnings throughout the video. So pay close attention to avoid mistakes when using or purchasing Vital Force. The first crucial point we would like to emphasize is the importance of being careful about the website on which you purchase Vital Force. This product is sold exclusively through the official website to make your experience easier. We have provided the link to the official website in the description of this video. Make sure to use the official website to ensure the authenticity and quality of Vital Force. We live in a world filled with toxins and stress which can negatively affect our health and well-being. We often find ourselves struggling with frustrating symptoms such as fatigue, anxiety, headaches, and lack of energy. Fortunately, there is a product that can help tackle these problems and boost our immune system. Introducing Vital Force, a revolutionary supplement designed to promote detoxification and support overall health. Vital Force is a food supplement formulated based on scientific research and designed to help cleanse the body of harmful toxins, restore its balance and rejuvenate vitality with a powerful 4-in-1 formula. This product provides comprehensive support for the immune system, allowing you to feel invigorated and reach your true potential. Vital Force's carefully selected ingredients play a key role in its effectiveness. The formula contains 4 main ingredients: coriander, ginger, turmeric and garlic. These components are known for their detoxifying and health-supporting properties. Coriander, also known as coriander, has detoxifying properties and can help eliminate heavy metals from the body. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can aid in digestion as well as stimulating the body's detoxification systems. Turmeric contains curcumin, an active compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, and is often used in detoxification regimens for its health benefits. Garlic, meanwhile, contains sulfur compounds that may have detoxifying properties and help activate enzymes involved in liver detoxification. This unique combination of ingredients works synergistically to promote detoxification, protect the immune system, and provide your body with the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and full of energy. We understand that making the decision to try a new supplement can be an important step. That's why Vital Force offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason, you are not satisfied with the results you get from Vital Force, simply contact us and within 60 days of your purchase and the amount will be refunded in full. Vital Force is more than just a supplement. It's a way to embrace a new phase of vitality, wellness and success with its powerful detoxification and overall health support formula. This product can help cleanse your body of harmful toxins, strengthen your immune system and provide a renewed sense of energy and vitality. Therefore, I decided to record this video to warn you about the importance of being careful when purchasing Vital Force from a trusted website. Also, if you decide to purchase the product, it is critical to follow the treatment correctly and take it seriously. Remember that your results may be different than other people's, as each body reacts in a unique way. I sincerely hope that this video was useful for you and that Vital Force will significantly improve your life, offering the many benefits it promises. If you want to receive more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. And until next time, check the description below to get this Vital Force with huge discount today. Don't miss out.